Kalamba.
Kalambas family.
Yalaw.
Yalaw.
Family. Haydon family to celebrate 2023 Christmas.
2022.
Sorry, 2022 Christmas celebration in Multinational Village. Lord, help us to maabot namin, ma-reach yung pinaka-goal na ma-enjoy ng family ang mga activities na with the effort of Miss Eliza Maria. All
And
this
for the coming years.
For the coming years. Thank you also for gathering us all here in your holy presence.
Drama. Ayoko ng drama. Happy. Okay?
Hey!
Take a bullet with some dick and take this.
And the youngest daughter of the Marilia Akuan. Nakalamba. Nasaan ka? Ito po, actually sila talaga mga principal sponsors kaya sila mag-uwag sa inyo.
Kaya pala!
Alabras family, we are gathered here to celebrate the 2022 Christmas celebration. We would like to thank all of you, your presence and your presence and your your presence and your enthusiasm to be here in spite of your busy. I know you are here, and special thanks to Baino
Who flew from LA?
from Cebu,
Mrs.
Mendoza for having us here to celebrate the 2022 Christmas celebration, especially Carlo Yana and my pinagmulan, Miss Almaden Maria. We welcome you and we will celebrate and enjoy the day.
Yay!
Ay, syempre, akala niya ata nalimutan na natin siya. Syempre, ang youngest sister.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.